Let's play a chromatic scale, 2 octaves going up and down, and this time I'd like you to say out loud the position of the fret with me. Open 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you say that out loud with me? I know it may be hard and awkward, but it will really help you if you can do that to get your mind off what you're doing with your fingers and focus on something else, helping you to make the movement of your fingers a little more automatic. Let's try it. Here we go. Ready, and open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 2, 3. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open. 3, 2, 1. Open. 4, 3, 2, 1. Open.